In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FlexClip Video Maker. First, head to the FlexClip website and click Create New Video. That opens the editor and gets you into your project in just a moment. Next, choose how you want to begin. Templates are the fastest route if you're making something for TikTok, ads, or YouTube. You drop your content into a pre-built layout and you're halfway done. Starting from scratch gives you full creative control over every scene and setting. If you prefer automation, the AI tools can generate a starting video from text, which you can still edit afterward. Before building your story, bring in your assets. Click Media and upload your video clips, images, and music. If you're missing a shot or a background, FlexClip includes a stock library of videos and photos you can search and add directly. Keep your file names clear and trim long clips during upload to save time later. Now assemble the project. Drag your media into the timeline or storyboard, arrange the clips in the order you want, and adjust the duration of each scene so the pacing feels right. Shorter shots often keep viewers engaged, so don't be afraid to tighten things up. With the structure set, refine each clip. Select a clip to trim the start or end, split it to remove pauses or mistakes, crop or resize to fit your framing, and adjust speed for slow motion or time-saving speed-ups. Small edits here have a big impact on flow. Add your messaging with text and titles. Click text, pick from captions, titles, or subtitles, then customize the font, color, and animation. Aim for high contrast and keep important words within safe margins so they're readable on mobile. Enhance the sound. Go to music to add background tracks and sound effects or record a voiceover directly in the editor. Lower music volume under dialogue and use light ducking so narration stays clear. For polish, add transitions between clips and apply filters, overlays, or simple animations for style. Consistency is key. Use a small set of effects so the video looks cohesive. If you're working with a brand, upload your logo and stick to consistent colors and fonts for recognition. When everything looks good, hit play to preview the full video. Watch for timing, audio balance, and overall flow, and tweak anything that feels off. Finally, click Export. Choose your quality, 720p for quick drafts or 1080p for final delivery, then download your file or share it online. And that's it. Your video is ready to publish.